Children, good morning. Welcome to English session. So, in the last session, we learned good night Tinku lesson. About the part completed. Yes. So, what we learned in the previous class? Let's see. One young baby of dog. Young baby of dog is there. That name is Tinku. So he can't sleep in their shelter. In his shelter. So what he did? He went outside. So finally he saw the moon. It's a very bright and shiny. After some time he observed some animals. So what the first one is firefox. Yes, sorry. First one is firefly. So he's asking, will you be my friend? And so firefly is replied, yes, you can. First friend is firefly. That means I said no already. Minuguru purugu. Yes. And after some time she observed hang upside down on a tree. It is a bat. The second friend is bat. The second friend is bat. So even bat also friend of Tinku. And after some time, what happens? Now let's see. A few leaves moved in the bushes. Someone is hiding. Who are you? Asked Tinku. I am a fox, said the fox. I go strolling out at night. A few leaves are moved in the bushes. Yes, bushes means some in that place, some leaves are moving. How it is moving? If someone is there in the bushes, it will move. Someone is hiding. Yes, in that bushes, someone is there. Evaro unnaru. Ani evaru anukuntaru? Tinku. Ask Tinku, who are you? Evaru unnaru akkada? Who are you? Tell me. Like that, Tinku asking. So what they reply? I am a fox, said the fox. I go strolling out at night. Strolling. Strolling means what, Nana? Strolling. Walking in a relaxed manner. Walking in a relaxing manner. Relaxing manner. That means walking with very slowly without any sound. Like a cat. Cat sound no, it will walk very slowly in the same way fox. The third person who is third person here? Fox. The first friend is firefly, next bat, next fox. How it is walking? It's like a relaxed manner. Arams antam chudandi. Slowga nadustundanta. Will you be my friend? Asked Tinku. Yes, you will, said the fox. Tinku adugutundi, mali nuvu నాకు friend గా ఉంటావా అంటే yes, I will. So even fox also friend of Tinku. And after some time, two shiny eyes looked at him from a tree. Who are you? Asked Tinku. Two shiny eyes. Shiny means very bright. Bright eyes is seeing him from the tree. From a tree. Who are you? Asked Tinku. ఇంకొక బర్డ్ కనిపించింది అక్కడ. ఏమని అడుగుతుందో చూద్దాం. I am owl, said the owl. I had for food during the night. Who is having two shiny eyes? Is a owl. గుడ్ల గుబ్బ. మనం అంటారు అబ్బాయి కళ్ళు గుడ్ల గుబ్బలా ఉన్నాయని. Yes, it's very shiny and it's very big. I am an owl, said the owl. I hunt for food during the night. So the birds want food. So how can he hunt? How can he hunt? At the night time or night time lo వాళ్ళు food కి వెతుక్కుంటారంట. Oh, will you be my friend? Ask Tinku. మళ్ళీ నువ్వు కూడా నాకు ఫ్రెండ్గా ఉంటావా అని అడుగుతారు. Yes, I will, said the owl. After some time, one more sound will come. Chip, chip, like this coming. Chip, chip. Who is there? Tinku asked. Yes, chip, chip sound is coming. Who is there here? Who are you? Like this asking. Then, I am a cricket, said the cricket. I chip when it is dark. Cricket means here not cricket means not a game. Cricket means one type of hen. One type of hen. Name and ila kodi antam chudandi. Yes, that is. And chip when it is dark. Nenu the చీకట్లోనే అరుస్తూ ఉంటాను. Chip chip kila kila sound kichi kichi అంటాయి చూడండి. Yes, that is one type of sound is coming from cricket. Yes, in the same way will you be my friend? Asked Tinku. Yes, I will send the cricket. నువ్వు కూడా అంటావా నాతో ఫ్రెండ్గా అని అడుగుతున్నాను. Yes, the first how many friends are there now? Very good. Firefly, bat, fox, owl, cricket. And after some time, Tinku and his friends jumped and tossed about and rolled until Tinku yawned. Tossed about. Tossed about. Tossed about means what, Nana? Move it side to side. Move it side to side. Yes, Tinku and his friends jumped and tossed about, rolled until Tinku yawned. Yes, Tinku and his friends is totally rolled down in that shelter. Farm ఉంది కదా అక్కడ ఆ ఫామ్ దగ్గర టోటల్గా మంచిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశారంట. ఎప్పటి వరకు? Until Tinku yawned. Until Tinku yawned. Yawn means nana. Open the mouth. Open the mouth. And open the mouth wide and breathe in deeply. And breathe in deeply. Yes. So they played very well in that farm. After some time, he jumped in the tossed about until Tinku yawned. Yawn means Tinku did not get sleeping. So until Tinku నిద్ర వచ్చేంత వరకు ట్రై చేస్తూనే ఉండాలి. Until Tinku yawned. Now I am sleepy. Now I am tired. Now I am tired. So that's why I am sleepy. He can do. Now he is going to sleep. I have to go home now. Now I have to go. So what she's saying? Oh, I played very well with you. Now I get very tired. So that's why I will go to my home. Thereafter I will sleep. So like that Tinku is saying. Then he was happy that he had made many new friends. Now Tinku was very happy. Why? Because on that at night time he got lot of friends. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He have 5 friends. He can play very well with their friends. He can very happily. He was very happy that he had made of many new friends. కొత్త ఫ్రెండ్స్ వచ్చారు, మంచిగా ఆడుకున్నారు, తనకి చాలా హ్యాపీగా అనిపించిందంట. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, snuggling close to Ma, he said, the night is not a lonely place, Ma. It is full of wonderful beings. Snuggling means what, Nana, here? Snuggling. Snuggling means what? Settled into a warm, comfortable position. Comfortable position. So Tinku went to his home. Finally, he went to his mother Then after, how he is sleeping? He is sleeping with a comfortable position. అయినా మనం మంచిగా పడుకోవాలంటే మనం మంచిగా ఫ్రీగా పడుకుంటామా లేకపోతే జస్ట్ ఇక కంజెస్టెడ్ ఉంట ప్లేస్లో పడుకుంటా? yes, it's a free position, comfort ఉన్న పొజిషన్లో మనం పడుకుంటాం. In the same way, Tinku slept with a comfortable position to very near to వాళ్ళ మమ్మీకి దగ్గరగా పడుకున్నాడంట. ఏమంటున్నాడు? మా means మమ్మీ, the night is not a lonely place, ma. It is a full of wonderful beings. So Tinku went to that night place. So then after he saying, after he went to home, ma, night is not a lonely, ma. Lonely means night అనేది చాలా ఒంటరిగా ఉండదు. Night have lot of creatures living at the night time. చాలా ప్రాణులు ఉన్నాయి నైట్ టైంలో అమ్మ అని చెప్తాను. అక్కడ ఏమేమి చూస్తాడో వాళ్ళ మమ్మీకి చెప్తున్నాను. Night is not a lonely place, ma. It's a full of wonderful beings. Yes. ఆ నైట్ ప్లేస్లో ఎంతో విచిత్రంగా ఎంతో వండర్ఫుల్గా ఉందమ్మా నైట్ అనేది, నైట్ టైం అనేది. నేను లోన్లీగా ఉంటుంది అనుకున్నా, కానీ ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ నైస్. సో లైక్ దట్ ఈస్ టింకు ఇస్ said to his mother. Then his mother replied, yes, replied, ma, your friends are nocturnals just like wild dogs. So what Tinku said, his mother replied, yes, it's correct, I know. That at night time so many creatures, so many animals, so many creatures are living at the night time also, that we call nocturnals. Nocturnals na nocturnals means na animals that are active at the night time. Animals that are actively living in the during night time. Actively living during the night time. During the night time. Humans are active during the night time. మనం నైట్ టైంలో యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటామా? No, we can. So we are sleeping at the night time. We want at the daytime we have so tired. Then after what we do, we just sleeping at the night. We can't active at the night time. But some animals are very actively at the night time. What are they? Firefly, bat, fox, owl, cricket. This type of animals we call as nocturnals. What we call? Nocturnals. Ippude. Yes, just like wild dogs. Yes, his mother said, yes, your friends totally actively during at the night time. Your friends, animals are called as nocturnals. Next, nocturnal animals eat, play and work at night. They rest during the day. Nocturnal animals can eat, sleep, play and work at night time only. అవన్నీ ఎప్పుడు తింటాయి కదా? నైట్ టైంలో ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి నైట్ టైంలోనే తింటా, నైట్ టైంలోనే వాటి యొక్క వర్క్స్ అనేది చేస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్, దే రెస్ట్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద డే. మరి నైట్ టైంలో డే టైంలో ఏం చేస్తాయి? దే కెన్ రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటాయి. మనం నైట్ టైంలో రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటాం, బట్ ఈ యానిమల్స్ ఏం చేస్తారు? మార్నింగ్ టైంలో రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటాం. యు మస్ట్ స్లీప్ నౌ. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఇంకా చాలా లేట్ అయిపోయింది. యు మస్ట్ స్లీప్ నౌ. స్లీప్ విల్ గివ్ యూ ఎనర్జీ టు ప్లే విత్ యువర్ డే టైమ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ టుమారో. స్లీపింగ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. యు మస్ట్ స్లీప్ నౌ అని ఎవరు చెప్తున్నారు? ఎస్, మదర్ డాగ్ చెప్తుంది టింకుతో. యు మస్ట్ స్లీప్ నౌ. స్లీప్ విల్ గివ్ యూ ఎనర్జీ టు ప్లే విత్ యువర్ డే టైమ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ టుమారో. Sleep gives us to energy. In the morning session also you can play with your friends. So if you play with your friends, first you need sleep. మనం మంచిగా స్లీప్ చేస్తేనే మంచిగా నిద్రపోతేనే మళ్ళీ మార్నింగ్ టైంలో యాక్టివ్గా ఉండేది. సో నౌ యూ కెన్ స్లీప్. సో స్లీప్ విల్ గివ్ యూ ఎనర్జీ టు ప్లే విత్ యువర్ డే టైమ్. ఈవెన్ Tinku also have daytime friends. Nighttime friends are these are fire, fly, bat, fox, owl, cricket. Good night, little one, she said, hugging him tightly. Okay, then after the mother died saying, good night, Tinku. Now you can sleep. It's a very sleepy time. You can sleep. Good night, Tinku. Like that, she's saying, his mother is saying, and afterwards, what he is doing? Hugging him tightly. Yes, his mother hugging. తన యొక్క పాపని గట్టిగా హగ్ చేసుకొని పడుకుంటున్నాడు. Yes. Then after, the bright round moon shone all night long, spreading her calm light all around. And Tinku slept all through the night. After, when he came to house, then after what doing moon doing? The bright round moon shone all the night. Yes, it's spreading his light. It's shining. It's spreading all the moonlight. Afterwards, and Tinku slept all through the night. After what he did? Sleeping. Tinku getting sleepy. So in the next day, even he can play with daytime friends, and he can play nighttime friends also. Okay. So this lesson completed, and in the next session we will discuss next remaining grammar part. Okay.